how to reset default settings on Garmin Forerunner 245. Alright, so your first step is to open up the settings menu. From the watch face, press and hold the up button to open up the menu. Once you've done that, go ahead and navigate to the reset section. Now, in order to get here, all you need to do is just simply scroll through your Garmin watch and select the system option. Once you selected system, then go over and click on reset, and once you've selected reset in the reset menu, go over and choose reset default settings. This actually helps to restore the watch settings without deleting your activity history. So select reset default settings. That way you get to keep all of your data. According to Garmin, this option restores the device settings to the factory default while keeping your saved activities and stored music intact. Now, if you choose to fully factory reset your device, all you need to do is just click on delete data and reset settings. If you select these options, it removes your settings, activity history, and stored music from the watch. And then once you're done, to confirm that you actually want to reset or your choices, just go ahead and allow the watch to complete a reset by following the on screen prompts. All right, guys.